Agree with that?
Yes, sir.
That's an optical illusion, right?
Whatever may be, but it is like that.
Right.
So the distance increases.
Object further away is that's a projective
Diminishes in size.
Huh?
perspective.
The size diminishes.
Yes,
Yeah.
and you can see these things very clearly because it is his subject. So, as a mechanical engineer or a mechanical engineering angle, you can see if you stand in between two tracks, no. So, what will appear? This tracks is
Parallel lines
meeting somewhere.
Right. Infinity.
Will it meet?
No.
It will never meet, but it appears that it is meeting. So, something illusion or something happening.
That's because
But-
of the way in which we see.
But can you think of how we can explain why it is trying to meet parallelism distorting? What can be the probable reason?
Because of the way in which we see, right, in our
You
lenses.
can get wider, no? Why it is narrowing?
No, because of our field of view kind of converging. The lenses
Yeah,
that
there
we
is
have.
something.
Parallax.
There are something there. So I'll say that when we see something, when we see what we see, I am seeing at my plane. Suppose it is my plane, and everything is I am looking here. So the size what will is there in with my plane, I will look at same size, but
As we move away,
as we
because of
move
the
away,
convex lens that we have, it tends to
something it is getting closer and closer and closer. So you think that this is my plane. Here I am seeing everything at my original size, but the away it will go, it will become smaller and smaller, smaller. So you are as if you are seeing an object in a plane parallel to your plane. This is your plane, and this is the parallel plane, is not it? So, the distance larger the distance, smaller the object, smaller, and we know that the stars
after a certain point it will be invisible.
stars are very big than us, but we see them as a
Tiny
point.
points.
I can say stars are smaller than us. It is not
appears smaller than us.
smaller than us. So, this is the case. Now, you have got this point. Why? This plane, if I see the coordinate system is converging. Here this 4 and 4, suppose one point, this 4 and 4, it
As
is
we
also
move
in that plane 4 and 4, but when I am seeing taking that point in my plane. So, in my plane it is less than 4 by 4. Okay? And what will happen, something behind me,
Will keep on increasing.
it should go on increasing, no?
So as you move back,
Yes,
somebody else sitting behind you should be able to see it bigger.
yes, and it exactly what Mobius has means. This is a common sense type of thought, but everything what is that called, expressed in numbers is mathematics. So, this practical situation he has converted into a mathematical modeling, and he has made our life very easy to handle all this situation. All this situation explaining the point at infinity. Point of infinity is a subject we are being taught in physics and mathematics, but we never realize what they tell. Here we will do that. So, friends, to morning session I will be finishing here, and after lunch we will meet again and we will examine the homogeneous coordinate, how it helps in solving our problems in translation and projection and other geometry. Thank you.